Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream with Oreo cream. First, carefully twist apart your Oreo cookies and scrape out the delicious white filling. You'll want to collect a good amount, perhaps from about 20 to 24 cookies, to ensure a rich flavor. This filling will be the star ingredient, providing that iconic sweet and slightly vanilla taste to our new cream creation. Make sure to keep the cookie wafers for another use, or crush them for a topping. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of very cold, heavy whipping cream, which is crucial for achieving a light and airy texture. Next, add your collected Oreo cream filling to a mixing bowl. We'll also incorporate 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar to adjust the sweetness to your liking, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to deepen the overall flavor profile. These simple additions will transform the filling into a delightful, versatile cream. Now, using an electric mixer, whip the cold, heavy cream on medium-high speed until soft peaks begin to form. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the cream is lightly whipped, gently fold in your prepared Oreo cream filling mixture. Continue to mix on a low speed until everything is just combined and the cream is light, fluffy, and evenly flavored. Be careful not to overmix, as this can cause the cream to become grainy. Once your delicious Oreo cream is ready, cover it and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the cream to firm up slightly, making it perfect for piping or spreading. You can use this versatile cream as a topping for cupcakes, a filling for a layer cake, or even as a dip for fresh fruit. Enjoy your homemade, delightful Oreo cream.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.